Good day everyone and welcome to another video of the weekly trading idea. Today we will analyze Euro USD with a correlation between the US stock market and the US dollar index. Now let's do a small recap about last week's video. Last week we were bullish on the Euro GBP, especially after breaking the double bottom pattern. Price hit the target, as you can see exactly here, at 0.9. And we hit the first target on the 38.2, if you remember. Now we are out of Euro GBP and waiting the break for the 38.2 and maybe another retest. Now let's go to this week's trading idea. The economic calendar for this week is light, with US markets closed today. For the Eurozone inflation data will be the most important. Last week, Euro USD hit resistance 1.1, which is a psychological level, and then price fell sharply. Price is stuck in a rectangle, as you can see, between 1.0775 and 1.1. It's a 2-month consolidation, and indicators broke the overbought area. That's why Euro went down. So 1.09 is, as you can see, a support zone here. If price closed as rejection, we might go to test 1.1 again. On the 4-hour time frame, this could be another pattern here. It could be an inverted head and shoulder. We will see. Speaking Fibonacci retracement, price corrected around 61.8, as you can see. I will focus on the daily chart here, especially the closing for today to the side. And for sellers, a break for 1.088 will drive price lower to 1.074. So trading Euro nowadays will be trading support zones and resistance. Let's go to the higher time frame. Last week, the candle was clearly bullish. We have a strong support here if you draw the trend line. As you can see, we had big rejections for this level. So this might be the bottom for Euro if 1.0775 held the price. Okay, now let's go to the dollar index. We are still stuck in a pennant in the dollar index. The long-term view for the dollar will be decided after this breakout. So it's obvious that we are now in a day trading mode due to the ranging market, especially in the dollar index. Let's go to the US 30. Speaking for our chart, we are now testing the resistance level for the big rectangle on Dow Jones, which is the benchmark of the US economy and the US stock markets. Obviously, we have two scenarios, a triple top, a reversal, or a continuation with a rectangle to break higher. This pattern will be really important because if we break to the downside, then the US dollar will get some strength, so the Euro will go lower. And a break to the upside will boost Euro. Let's watch this pattern very closely because it might decide what's next on the Forex market. So that is it for me this week. Thank you guys for listening and I will see you next Monday.